Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today you are going to listen to a sample response for IELTS. Speaking Part 2. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone you know. If you want to buy books to practice for IELTS directly from Amazon, click on the first link in the description of the video. I'd like to describe my grandfather William, who is an extraordinary individual in my life. At the age of 82, he remains an emblem of wisdom, resilience, and kindness. William is a retired professor of history, and his passion for learning and teaching is something that has always inspired me. Even at his age, he keeps his mind sharp by reading extensively and engaging in intellectual discussions. He has a vast collection of books, and his study is a treasure trove of knowledge, filled with volumes on a myriad of subjects. He has an incredible memory and can recall historical events and dates with astounding accuracy, often sharing fascinating anecdotes from history that bring the past to life in a way that only he can. Personality-wise, William is the epitome of warmth and generosity. He has a gentle demeanor and a perpetual twinkle in his eye, indicative of his great sense of humor. His laughter is infectious, and he has a unique ability to put everyone around him at ease. He is also deeply compassionate, always willing to listen and offer wise counsel. His patience is unmatched, and he approaches every situation with a calm and measured perspective. One of the things I admire most about my grandfather is his unwavering commitment to his family. He has always been there for us, offering support and guidance whenever needed. His stories are not just about history, but also about our family's heritage, instilling in us a strong sense of identity and pride. He is a pillar of strength, having faced numerous challenges throughout his life with grace and fortitude. His perseverance in the face of adversity is truly inspirational. Moreover, William is also an avid gardener, and his garden is a testament to his hard work and dedication. He spends hours tending to his plants, and the results are evident in the lush, vibrant garden that blooms with life. His love for nature is something he has passed down to me, and I cherish the times we spend together in the garden, learning about different plants and flowers. I have a profound respect and admiration for my grandfather. His intellect, kindness, and resilience make him an exceptional person. I cherish every moment I spend with him, as he not only provides companionship, but also imparts invaluable life lessons. His legacy of love, wisdom, and strength is something I aspire to carry forward in my own life. William is not just a grandfather to me. He is a mentor, a friend, and a guiding light. Thanks for watching our video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video with all your friends and colleagues. Have a great day, and I will see you in our next video.